So I recently did a video on a shoe cabinet that I built. I didn't quite get to finish that at the time. Heck, I didn't even really know how well it was going to work. That video has been the most popular video that I've made so far. Now, either that is due to the fact that everyone wants better shoe storage, or perhaps it was just the fact that I wasn't talking so much. And if that's the case, I apologize in advance because this is going to be a bit more talking, but I do promise it will be short. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how it all works, as well as add the fact that at the client's request, I added a bottom to each of the racks so that any dirt and debris from the shoes, when they're put into the rack, don't fall down into the shoes below. So anyway, here's the finished product, and yeah, any questions, drop them in the comment section below. So here it is, all installed and full of shoes. And yeah, as you can see, my client has all her shoes in it. There's two rows because of this divider that is in them. The tops of the fronts and the bottom, for that matter, are cut on an angle so that as it opens up, it's clear. So I have to say I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out and how it works. I wasn't really sure, but I'm a lot more confident now. So there have been people ask in the comment section whether of the original video, whether I could make available the plans for this. So I'm going to do that. I'll probably have like a link to the plans on my website or something. So check out the description of the video for that link. And yeah, again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.